What's up, T?
Nothing, T.
Really?
I've been trying to get these things for about a month. I gave up on looking for them. When I heard about them, what is it? August?
It's September.
It's not.
Oh, it is August, yeah.
You need to work.
Shut up.
Go to work and you will never forget the date.
I do when I'm at work.
But July, when I heard about these damn things, they said they're gonna be at the Dollar General store. Nobody had them. I go and look. I look just for the hell of it nowadays. But today I went to go get me some drink. No beer. Some Pepsi Cola.
Bam, Daddy was.
Bam, there they were. They were laid over like that there. And I said, that look like it is. Top ramen noodles.
What the lid smell like?
I don't think you want to smell that for you either.
What it smell like when they raw in the pack?
No, it smell like them. But I know if it kind of queered me a little bit there, I know it kind of.
I don't want to smell it in. They y'all yellow.
That's that seasoning. Put in the microwave.
I think I need with some bread.
Some damn bread at. That chicken.
I thought that chicken.
It's chicken flavor. That's just some.
It tastes like chicken noodle soup.
That's what the chicken noodle, the top ramen of that flavor taste like to me. They don't have flavor really. They have flavor, but not like the Maruchan.
The whole.
What you call
It ain't that after that.
it? Maruchan. 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 Something. What's that say? What the hell is right there? That say Maruchan.
Somebody please take out the name of it.
I don't know what that say. They're the best kind of the best kind of the best kinds. Hot and spicy. They ain't really hot. It's for country chicken flavor. The spices just give it more flavor versus a regular old top ramen.
Now if these was like that,
I put this in the microwave like it just come out of the little chip basket. It'll be just like some damn noodles. I can't even come up with nothing to eat them with.
what about? Yeah.
You know how you do like eating with some.
Hot sauce.
You put hot sauce in noodles, don't you?
I put hot sauce in there and everything.
Yeah, it may work for you. They ain't gonna work for me though.
Hot sauce. You eat the hell out of them, ain't you?
No, I can eat them, but I've been waiting too long for nothing.
They were what you thought they were.
It ain't spectacular, but I guarantee you, a motherfucker in prison will love these damn things.
Got some good flavor on it.
Yeah, but it's one-sided. Can you see that? This side got the flavor stuff. If you flip it over, same thing. Both, all of them like that. Cause you know they love ramen noodles in them prisons, I heard. And just to eat these and them, oh man, you'll be a motherfucker. Limited time. I say they worth trying. They worth trying. Go ahead and get you some of them now. But I know a lot of people gonna say, I don't like ramen noodles. I guarantee you if I cook them for you, you'll love ramen noodles.
Yeah, if they would like the way you cook them, those would be off the chain.
Now you just gave me an idea.
You said it with the damn,
No, what I'm saying is, you know how you go to the flea market, get the corn and put your little shit on it? Maybe get something like some celery salt. No. Some different kind of spices on it. Just to spruce it up. Maybe even
hot sauce.
Get some chicken breast and make a sandwich and put these on the sandwich.
Well, if that let you know they was the only one on the shelf, they been buying the hell out of them here. They give time they come in.
Well, goddamn, like I said,
Maybe the employees get.
I've been looking for them for since July. They supposed to come out the 1st of June, I believe. But they were eating them on Lord Sear show. Lord Sear then was eating them in July. They said it was at Dollar General store.
Like, ooh, these motherfuckers good, yeah.
No, they weren't saying that. They were like, you know, they can eat them, but it ain't something you go out just to say, I'm going to give me some of them damn that noodle Pringles.
How much was all?
You know I don't know.
I know you don't care about price.
I just buy shit. If it's there and I want it, I'm going to buy it. How much are these a piece?
20 to 25 cents.
How much are these a piece?
A quarter. $4 a quarter.
You said 20 to 25.
Sometimes be on sale like $6 for $1.
When you gonna make that shrimp scampi?
I don't know, whenever I can.
Shrimp!
Whenever I can.
Shrimp scampi pasta. I would have made it. But I ain't the one that somebody want to see make shrimp scampi pasta. It's you.
You still can make it.
No, it's not me who. It's not me. I asked. You want it to be me or her? So you. You gotta wait till she get ready.
Yep.
You know what I'm finna do?
What?
I'm finna drink me some of that Pepsi I went and got. Good glass over some ice. Then I'm gonna pop over some Bud Lights and just throw them back. What?
Fuck you.
Yes, man. Yes, man. Yes, man.
Oh, we out, TNT. Boom. Dynamite.